This video will provide an overview of the Samuel Jackman Middle School Library. From the Samuel Jackman Middle School homepage, which you can reach at sjms.egusd.net, you will hover over Our School and then scroll down to the library. Click on Library. That will open you to the library website. First page just gives you a picture of the library, a picture of the front of the library, a picture of the back of the library, a picture of our computer bank, and then our book drop here. If you click on Welcome to the Library, it will take you to a page. This banner will change every month depending on what's going on, but it does have 4 quick links on the side. This will take you directly into the Samuel Jackman Middle School Library catalog. This one will take you directly to the EBSCO host sites, databases that you have access to. This link here will take you directly to the ClassLink portal. And then this will allow you to access the SACB. This class ID is library and the password is Jackman. And then we have pictures of our library staff. If you, just going down the line here, we'll look at the hours and library information. Again, it lists our library staff as well as our library hours. 7:30 to 3 on every day except Wednesday, when our hours are 7:30 to 1:30. The library is available most lunches and before and after school. Always make sure to check the blinds each day to see whether the library is open. If the blinds are open, then the library is open. If the blinds are closed, then the library is closed. These are some general guidelines about that for you to be aware of when using the library. You must always have your student ID with you to check out library items. You are able to check out 4 items at a time, one of which may be a magazine or a book on CD. Books and books on tapes are all checked out for 3 weeks at a time. Magazines are checked out for 1 week time periods. The library is a quiet place to read, study, and relax. Talking should be always kept at a minimum. We never allow food, drink, or gum in the library, and we do not allow you to roughhouse or any other type of playing in the library, except for the board games that you're allowed to check out. The computer guidelines here in the library are that you can utilize the computers for typing, research, and projects, for school-related projects. We have a bank of 34 computers that you have access to. Again, you must have your ID cards with you, and you must have a signed internet form in your agenda in order to use the internet. Before printing anything, always check with the librarian, and we kind of take a quick look to make sure that you're not printing pages that are not necessary. A lot of times kids don't realize that you're printing 5 or 6 pages and you only need 1 or 2. So we always make sure that you are printing exactly what you need. And then of course, printing for a class assignment is always free. Let's look at the orientation information here. We are not going to look at these, we're not going to open these. This textbook information sheet just has a price list of the different books that are being that you might be assigned. This library information sheet has information that we already talked about as far as what the library hours are and what the guidelines are. And then we have both of those documents in Spanish here. This links site page leads to, this page is still in progress. Right now, all of the links are math resources, and so if you keep checking back, eventually we will have a list of history resources, science resources, English resources, and so on and so forth. The next page here is for student links. Student links, what I think would probably be the most helpful page for you. We have the Symbaloo right in the middle that has a Google Corner. It has print and database resources. It has a bunch of encyclopedias and dictionaries. It has access to newspapers. It has access to other research information. Google Corner, I think I've already said. Information that would help be useful or help to improve your writing, and then just a calculator and a access to Kahoots. And then we have some other links that we just have listed here that we thought you might be interested in. The next one is a teacher link, which I am not going to open. Honestly, the teacher link looks very similar to this, except there are links that teachers might be more interested in than students. We have a class assignments link or page. This page, some of the different teachers have shared the work and assignments that they're very proud of, and so you can click on any of these and open them and check them out at your leisure. We have a textbook page that lists all of the different textbooks that different classes are utilizing. We have a page here for textbook care and fines. In the unlikely event that you have to replace a textbook, these are the prices here. And then it tells us how to keep our books covered. This tab here has pretty much all of the information that we've talked about in Spanish for our Spanish-speaking families. And then the last link here is titled Books and More, and these are student recommendations. And so this too is a growing page. That pretty much covers the library website. I hope this was helpful. Thank you.